I have been having problems with this humidity sensor. It's running now, but I had two dashes across this display. This is the brochure for it. It's the Aircare. There wasn't too many instructions about how to take care of it. The two dashes, I looked it up, suggested that something wrong with a humidity sensor. So, I'm going to sit down here. On the power cord, wrapped up in these, which I haven't reassembled yet, is a humidity sensor. You take that screw out and expose it. That little white thing is a humidity sensor. You can get those off of Amazon. If you get a soldering iron, you can remove that with the machine unplugged. I tried it. Didn't work the first time. I think I soldered it incorrectly and crossed the joints by mistake. What I ended up doing another. I think this is working now off the humidity sensor because the display is changing. But you can make this work without the sensor by unsoldering this white socket with a four. Can't really see them too well, but there's 4 pins on there. Can't really see it, but you unsolder those pins and take the board right off, and then you start the sensor. You start the humidifier back up, and it will run all day without shutting off because there's no sensor to shut it off that way. But I put the board back on. Got a new sensor from Amazon, and it cost me $8 for a package of a few of them. And it seems to be working, so let it run for a couple of days before we put it all back together. As I was saying, if you remove this board by unsoldering it, I wouldn't go cutting it. You might eventually have some luck getting it going, but just remove the board by unsoldering it, by getting an soldering iron for like $10. You would be able to start and stop by pushing the button. Without the sensor, it won't shut itself off. But you can start and stop it using this without the sensor.